Hey guys, I'm Lauren and welcome back to Mix and Roll. Today I'm going to be doing a Bake You Happy tutorial review. So if you don't know what Bake You Happy is, I'm going to narrow it down for you. Basically, on howtocake.com, there are these live tutorials that are live on Facebook, and you can pick any class from cakes to cookies to macarons, all sorts of things, and you basically will bake it live with the person. They give you the ingredients for things and everything to prep, and it is amazing. So today I decided to do a review. So I decided to do the flour wall cake one. And today is Thursday, and the flour wall cake live tutorial will be tomorrow. So today they give you this handbook, and it tells you like the things you would need for the cake. So the cake is vanilla, and then you have some chocolate frosting, and you have some chocolate ganache. So it tells you stuff that needs to be prepped. So your cake, your buttercream, and your ganache needs to be prepped. And since today is the day right before, I'm going to be prepping my ganache, but I'm going to make my buttercream and my cakes tomorrow. Let's get started. So far I was really enjoying this. They gave you a full recipe and they gave you the instructions, which was really helpful. So guys, it said this had to go in the microwave for a minute. And you know what you do when something's in the microwave or the oven? You got that right, a dance party! So after that, I took it out of the microwave and I stirred it up and let it cool down. And this is what it turned out to be. And it looks so good. I'm pretty sure this is what it's supposed to look like. It's a really good consistency. Also, I got these chocolate chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips from Lidl, I don't know how to say it, but Lidl something. And yeah, those are chocolate chips I use, and it tastes really good. I also use these for my chocolate chip cookies. Then I decided to taste it, and it tasted very good. It tastes like a brownie. It was so good. I recommend this chocolate. So far, I was super excited and ready for tomorrow when the tutorial began, and rated the sauce 10 out of 10. So it's Friday, the day of the Bake You Happy, and I am making the cakes right now because I said you have to prepare your buttercream and your cakes and your ganache, which I've done my ganache, and I'm doing my cakes, and I'm going to do my buttercream soon. I prepared all my things for the Bake You Happy. This is all the things that need to be prepared. Got my colors, my buttercream, my things, my things with my flowers, my piping bags, my bench scraper, my cake board, and the cake turntable, my leaf tip, and some icing, and some extra ganache. And I also have some butter and a measuring cup, which I'm gonna fill with powdered sugar, just in case I might need some more icing. Starting soon, I got all my stuff ready to go. Guys, it's almost gonna start, and I have my apron, which says Little Baker, and it has my name on it. Guys, so I finished the tutorial video, and this is how it turned out, and it is amazing. First, we have this amazing flour wall, and then we have these pretty sharp edges. I barely do square cakes, and this is pretty good. Like the edges, that's pretty sharp edge, and especially like that's amazing. So I recommend these, and I really like Bake You Happies. And I hope you guys will do them in the future. They are amazing, and I rate them a 10 out of 10. The instructor was really good with explaining, and everything tastes very good also. And look at the results. Amazing. And I hope you liked today's video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more videos. Bye, guys.